Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make another baking video. I'm so excited. Today we're going to try making cookies out of a microwave. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're just gonna make this one cookie in the microwave. So yeah, let's get started. So I have the cookie dough right here, and I'm going to your leftover cookie dough, and I'm going to shape it into a circle. Yeah. So I'll be back. I just need to get the materials. So I think it's not gonna be a good idea to have a plastic plate, but we're going extreme with this, so we're using the plastic plate. So let's get started. This is gonna be a big challenge for me because I don't usually bake, but I have a microwave. I don't know how it's gonna work, so yeah, let's get started. So first I'm gonna take this out of its container. I might need to have gloves with this. So here is the cookie dough. Add some more. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm not gonna make a big cookie. I'm just gonna make a little small one. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge. So we're going to start by shaping it into a circle so it can flatten out when it gets heated. Okay, so here it is. We're gonna put it in the middle. So guys, this is how it looks. We're going to put it in the microwave. So we're just going to add this right here, and we're going to put it in the microwave, and make sure you cover it because I'm not sure you can trust the microwave for this. I'm just gonna put it until you just put it for 1 minute for now, and then you just wait until 1 minute. Okay, so while the thing is in the microwave, I hope it doesn't burn. We're just gonna talk about some stuff. So if you guys really know about baking, comment down below. Like, I really want to know. Like, this is a free channel. It's really good. It's a free channel. Oh, it's ready. Anyway, comment down below if you guys know how you cook, and you just give me recipes to try out this video. So obviously the thing is ready. So let's get started. So thing smells good. I don't know how this is gonna be like. Ooh, what is it? I think I made it. Oh, or no. Oh. This is a fail. I should not have used a plastic plate. Look at my microwave. Oh my god. This got burned. Okay, let me just get another plate. I'll be back. Guys, so obviously this doesn't turn great. We're gonna put it in another plate. It made a hole through the plate, so I'm going to leave it at that. Most of the cookies is in the microwave. It's still doughy. I don't know if it's burnt. I think we can still eat it. Okay, so let's try it. So here it is. To be honest, it doesn't taste too bad. I just wish that I hadn't used a plastic plate and everything would be better. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please, this is not a life hack. I'm just like trying it. So don't try this at home. So, yeah. Please like and please comment and please hit that bell down below. I'm really hoping for some. And eat some good cookies. Bye. Thanks for watching.